Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you my everyday makeup routine using no foundation. The first thing I do is use my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. I use a concealer and I use a bronzer. So I use my bronzer first. I just go around my hairline, my cheeks, my jawline, and my nose. Now I'm going to use my concealer. I do my eyes, I do my lids and underneath. I also do my cheekbones, my nose, my chin, and then any blemishes or dark spots that I may have. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. I usually use beauty blenders only when I'm using foundation. When I try to use it when I'm not using foundation, it doesn't work as well. I'm going to use a little translucent powder to help set the bronzer and concealer. Now I'm going to use my L'Oreal Brow Gel and my Benefits Eyebrow Pencil. I like to take my spoolie and brush my eyebrows up and shape them before I go ahead and fill in with my L'Oreal Brow Gel. So when using this brow gel, I don't want to be too heavy-handed because it can get really dark. So I make sure that I get all the excess off, and then I lightly just kind of fill in my eyebrows because, again, I don't want them to be too dark. finished filling them in, I let them set for a few minutes, and then I go back in with my brow pencil to finish shaping my eyebrows. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner. Yeah, don't laugh at my itty bitty. Don't laugh at my itty bitty pencil. But I use them until there's nothing left. I'm going to do my top lash using my Kaja wing eyeliner pen. I actually got this pen in a set that was for wing liners. I do a much better job getting my liner on off camera. My positioning was a little awkward, so it was kind of difficult to get the liner on the way that I usually do. I'm going to use my Anastasia Soft Glam palette. So I'm going to use the Rustic, the Burnt Orange, the Dusty Rose, and the Rose Pink. now lastly, in my inner corner, I'm going to use tempera. And now that my brows are set, I'm going to go back in and finish up using my brow pencil. And now I'm going to use a little blush, and I still do love using blush. And this NARS highlighting powder is one of the best highlighters that I've used. I really love it. And sometimes with this look, I'll use a lipstick, but today I'm just going to use a little lip gloss. And most of the time, that's usually what I do. So guys, that's my everyday makeup routine using no foundation. Subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below what your favorite makeup product is. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.